Not exactly sure what that means. Fuel oil backwash filter. Installing an automatic backflush filter in the fuel oil booster circulation system protects the engines against abrasive particles and impurities in the fuel oil. You have to soak the elements in the chemical agent as required, flush with clean, filtered water or other compatible fluid, blow out with clean air. Then close, wait until a few minutes. Then start blowing air. Siya si Natoy gwapo, masipag, at mabait, iba talaga si Natoy. After blowing air, kailangan kitang-kita ang hayag sa soga, o diba, sagol Bisaya. An automatic backwash filter keeps lube oil clean and free from contaminants like dirt, scales, and metallic abrasions. Its main role is to prevent engine damage and extend the lifespan of your machinery. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow and subscribe Marine Engineer Works for more video and learning.